Alright, this looks good, right? Yeah, we can figure it out. Oh yeah, this is the whole concept art, by the way. A little bit like futuristic or whatever, but it's like, okay, you can see shit there, don't worry about it. This is full Kaylee. Fine, there we go. And let me load up my base as always, so we can just start with like something basic. And then we're gonna do what we can. Okay, this is, I don't want that. This is old. Is this it? What's the difference between this and the molecular base, so-called? It's a lot wider. I don't need this though. Actually, I think this also has like some fixes with the other moves and stuff. Okay, I'll use this one. Just gonna make this like. Okay, this is actually good. Alright, and I called it Black Wea base just because like I was doing these commissions, so like I can remember that better, right? It has nothing to do with Black Wea itself. Like the final model was like that. So her face is like I said, like a little bit Pepeg. Yeah, her body proportions like. Okay, so that's that. What's the scale of this? 0.77. Alright, I'm also gonna get like these two pictures in, and this one. We're gonna scale it down. Scale. Scale. Okay, I see like a little bit bump here, which is like a very weird bump, so I'm gonna disregard this. It should be like more straight here, so this bump is weird. This is supposed to be like a ribcage bump, but yeah. You see, I feel like there's a problem with like, in general, with like communication with people. It's like, I feel like I had a problem with people too in the past. Sometimes we tend to like think that whatever we say with a few words that we use, that people should understand us, right? And that's not usually the case. Because if we're talking about something like more complicated, like few words, just because you understand it within few words doesn't mean that others can understand it too. So, gotta be mindful of that, my dude. Myself included, obviously. Yeah, but I really like how like this kind of body type actually works very nice with this model already. Very, very nice. I feel like that's where like most miscommunication comes from. Like you just can't expect people to understand what you're saying if you're just saying like a couple of words. You gotta try and explain yourself as much as you can. Otherwise, you're like in confusion. You're like, oh, but I understand what I said, but he didn't. Yeah, well, it's kind of obvious, right? I kind of want to do this, but I'm not very sure. Not bad actually. Yeah, that was good actually. That was good actually. Legs look fine. I don't need to change anything there. The top part looks good. Okay, the tits. Tits still need to go up. Tits need to go up and they need to be smaller. And I'm gonna look at this and we're gonna decide how or what I'm gonna do with this. Also, that means the ribcage needs to go up as well. Right. Okay, once the tits to be like way to the side. That's gonna be interesting. Maybe don't make it like too much to the side. What do you guys think? I think like to not make it too much to the side, right? Let's just get this rib cage a little bit to the side. I don't know how much tits should go to the side like that, actually. Like, legit. Do you guys think this is normal? I don't think this is normal, right? Yeah, this is like too much. Alright, I'm not gonna go like way too much to this side. This seems to like make it like look a little bit weird. So I'll try to do like whatever like makes most sense for like this type. Let's go with that, right? I'll try to like push them to the side a little bit more. It seems like a little bit way too weird. I wonder if like females actually have this type of like way too much to the side type of moves. Yeah, I'm not gonna ask for a reference because last time I asked for a reference, well, yeah, we're not gonna talk about that. Okay. We're cool with that. We'll adjust this more, but this should be fine. Alright, dudes. I think we're good here. I'm gonna be done for the model with the model for today, okay? But yeah, good shit. Here I'm gonna show you the whole mesh. Real quick. I don't need that anymore. There you go. This is just the base. I'm gonna adjust hair to be like a little bit closer to the body. But yeah. There we go. A little bit of booty there. There's the original basically. Obviously didn't make it with like that much of a big face, but yeah. But yeah, this needs to be like textured obviously, but yeah. I'm gonna be starting on that basically tomorrow, right? Alright guys.